Meningitis. Meningitis is the inflammation of the leptomeninges and the presence of cerebrospinal fluid in the subarachnoid space. Leptomeninges are arachnoid matter along with pia matter. Causes of meningitis. Meningitis can occur either because of infections or due to chemical reactions. Infectious causes include acute infections and chronic infections. Acute infections caused by pyogenic infections due to bacteria or aseptic meningitis due to viral infections. Chronic infections like tuberculosis, syphilis, and cryptococcal infections. The chemical causes include non-bacterial irritant which is introduced into the subarachnoid space. Acute pyogenic meningitis, which is bacteria, and this is purulent meningitis. This is caused by bacteria, so it is also called as bacterial meningitis. Etiology for acute pyogenic meningitis. In infants, this is most commonly caused by Escherichia coli and group B streptococci. In infants and children, this is more commonly caused by Haemophilus influenzae. In young adults, it is caused by Neisseria meningitidis, which is meningococcus, and in older adults, the meningitis is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae and Listeria monocytogenes. These are the etiologies in different age groups for acute pyogenic meningitis. The route of infection can be either hematogenous route or through the lumbar puncture. Morphology of acute pyogenic meningitis. Grossly, there is thick creamy exudate, and microscopically there is presence of exudates containing dense neutrophils and fibrin, and the Gram stain detects the causative organism. The cerebrospinal fluid changes. The CSF turns cloudy or franky purulent. There is increased pressure, more than 180 mm of water. There is increased protein content, more than 50 mg per deciliter. There is increased neutrophils, more than 90,000 per millimeter cube. And there is decreased glucose level less than 40 mg per deciliter. These are all the CSF changes seen in acute pyogenic meningitis. Clinical features include headache, fever, vomiting, convulsions, neck stiffness, Kernig sign and Brudzinski sign. Next is acute aseptic meningitis, which is viral meningitis as it is caused by virus. Etiology for acute aseptic meningitis is infections of enterovirus, HIV, mumps, Epstein-Barr virus and herpes simplex virus. CSF findings in acute aseptic meningitis are: the CSF is clear as it is aseptic and there is increased protein content, glucose level is normal, and there are presence of 10 to 100 lymphocytes per ml of CSF. Clinical features of acute aseptic meningitis: there is fever, headache, and this is self-limiting condition. Route of transmission is fecal-oral route. The third type is chronic meningitis, which is tuberculous meningitis. Etiology is it is caused due to Mycobacterium tuberculosis, as the name indicates, is tuberculous meningitis. Mode of infection can either be through hematogenous route or through the biliary spread. Gross features: there is presence of greenish gelatinous exudate in the subarachnoid space and presence of white granules of tubercle may be seen. Microscopically, there is formation of granuloma, which consists of epithelioid cells, Langerhans cells and lymphocytes. And the acid-fast bacilli, which is MTB, can be demonstrated in acid-fast staining. Clinical features of tuberculous meningitis: there is headache, malaise, mental confusion and vomiting. CSF findings in tuberculous meningitis: The CSF is clear and colorless. It appears cobweb on staining. There is increased pressure more than 300 millimeters of water. There is increased protein content 50 to 150 milligram per 100 ml. There is decreased glucose level 20 to 50 gram per 100 ml. There is decreased chloride levels 450 to 600 milligram per 100 ml. And there are 500 to 700 cells per ml of lymphocytes. So these are the characteristic CSF findings in tuberculous meningitis. Lastly, the complications of tuberculous meningitis. It can lead to hydrocephalus, nerve root damage, and tuberculous encephalitis. So these are all about meningitis. Thank you.